everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited to do this makeup tutorial, as it's been months I don't do this makeup. It's been months I don't do this makeup. I've been working deep cleaning the house and I barely had the time to do my makeup tutorial for you guys today, and hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm really excited because it's gonna be like a Crease brown eyeshadow. It's like a neutral color. I don't know if you guys can see though, so if you guys want to see how I did this makeup tutorial, keep on watching. And it's pretty good to use this the entire year because it's a nice crease. It's beautiful. I recreated two colors together. It's both of them are brown, just that I added the light color first and then the dark color because I wanted to be a combination of same colors but lighter and dark colors. And I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys in the next steps. Here's I have to use moisturizer because it's so hydrated for my face, and also it helps for eczema. And for right now, that cream is helping me a lot, and I'm using this foundation. This is one of the greatest foundations I've been using. It's 24 wear. I do recommend it so much. I told you guys in the next videos I did that is one of the best foundations I tried because it's a medium coverage. It does make a difference when you add it. It's like a yellowish tone. And I'm using my sponge. This sponge is really great when you want to add a foundation or concealer. So I just keep on blending it. So it blends really, really well. So I just keep on blending. Because sometimes it happens that we don't blend really well and we get like a little bit of the makeup in the face. And we need to get rid of that. I'm using my favorite concealer to face. It's gonna be Tone Vanilla. I love this because I was finding concealer that is perfect for dark areas, and it's one of the greatest ones that it helps you hide it really well. Using this bronzer is from Shades and Shan. I think it's a great product to use it as a bronzer. And after that, I was using Anastacia Beverly Hills A5 the brush so I can do my shadow cut because I was excited, so I just wanted to start with that. First of all, I added a light color that is gonna be like a brown tone. I was trying to do it like really well and I passed through that because I don't know, it just happens to me that I just get past through. I get past through that and I need to do it again, beauties. But I was just trying to do it slowly as I can, and I was creating the skinny line with the light brown first and then the dark brown. I don't know if you noticed this, but I know that I just got past of that, so I'm just gonna use my concealer at the end. I'm putting what I did in there when I added the dark dark brown color, I use a spray so it acts like as the liner, and I was trying to do it really nice so it can show a lot. And on this side, I was trying to take the excess of eyeshadow that I had, and I did it, beauties. On the other side, I did it too. I just wanted to be like really straight eyeshadow
to be more
and
skinny, so
really skinny.
Take it up
I didn't want it to look like really like a lot of color in there because it's a Crease beauties, and
I wanted to do like a brown line,
doing more
skinnier. I don't have like this brush that it's really skinny, so you can make that like it's more skinnier. But I try my best. So here we come.
Beauties, I use this eyeshadow palette. I use the white one so I can add it on my eyeshadow. It's gonna be like all the way down, so I just added that color so I make it more nicer. And it had a little bit of glitter, so I love the glitter so much. I love this eyeliner that I show you guys, and I love this to do my eyelashes. They're gray net, they're gray, so you can add it. And I was trying to do it fast because I have some stuff to do. These, sorry, it's because of my pregnancy. I always do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment, please. I thank you so much for supporting me so much. And see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.